Pick up the habit, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, pick up the habit. Understanding phrases like this is key to sounding more natural in English. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. Pick up the habit is a phrase that means to start a new habit, usually without intending to. This habit can be either good or bad. For example, if someone starts drinking coffee every morning without really planning to make it a daily routine, they have picked up the habit of drinking coffee. It's important to note that this phrase often implies a sense of gradual development rather than a deliberate decision. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. After moving to Italy, I picked up the habit of having pasta for lunch. This shows how living in a new place can lead to adopting new habits. 2. She picked up the habit of jogging every morning during the lockdown. Here, the phrase is used to describe the start of a healthy routine. 3. Many people pick up the habit of checking their phones first thing in the morning. This example reflects a common modern habit. Incorporating pick up the habit into your speech is simple. Here are some tips. Use it when talking about a new routine or practice you or someone else has started. It can be used in both positive and negative contexts. Remember, it usually implies a habit that started unintentionally or subconsciously. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, pick up the habit, confidently in your conversations. It's a great example of how dynamic and descriptive English can be. Keep practicing, and don't forget to pick up the habit of watching our videos for more English learning tips. See you next time.